Hi guys, welcome to today's tutorial on how to activate Windows 10 without a product key. As you can see already by the length of the video, this will take you up to like 5 minutes to do. We're going to need help from a software, by the way, called KMSpico. Not to worry, I'll leave a link to download the software in the description below, or you can join me on Telegram. I'll also drop the link below. You can join the Telegram channel and get the software easily. Yeah. So without wasting any more of your time, the first thing to do is to download the KMSpico. But before you can download the KMSpico, you can see here that when you try to download the KMSpico original without taking any action on your PC, it gives you a failed response because the PC detects it as a virus, which honestly I don't know, it's not true or something. I can't really say, but you can you can fix this by going to your settings area, go to update and security, then you go to Windows Defender and turn off real-time protection. Now forget that. Yeah, toggle that off here, and now go back to the download page of KMSpico and download the file. Now we're downloading it again already. Now what you do from your end after downloading it, just after downloading it, you can see that we still have the activate Windows stuff there, the activate Windows notification. Now that I've downloaded the KMSpico, just run the KMSpico. You click on it, click on run, and wait for some seconds for a menu to appear. And yeah, now that's the setup. Then you accept the agreement, click on next, just keep on clicking on next. Forget about touching anything because um the software will get deleted once you activate the um the real-time protection back. But as you've um as you've clicked on this stuff now, run, it's gonna take time like this just to activate the windows for you. Very soon, in a minute or two, or in some seconds, you'll see that the activate windows message will disappear. Voila, you can see it below. The message has disappeared, and you can see that our windows has been activated. That message that used to be there is no longer there. Now let's check from our settings area. Then we'll go to the activation under update and security. You can see right there, Windows 10 Pro, Windows is activated. It's as simple as that. I think that's all for this tutorial. Please, if you're new and you're watching this for the first time, don't forget to subscribe. Also, don't forget to leave a like. Also, share to your friends, please. And you can do well to turn on the bell notification icon. And that'll be all for today. Do have a lovely day and take care.